So, under Section 15 of POSCO Act of 2012, which was amended in 2019, so under this section, it clearly mentions that any act which the pornographic in nature or the pornographic materials of a child, if such materials is used for any commercial purpose or distributed to any other person, or failure to delete such pornographic images or videos of a child which was taken unauthorizedly or received illegally from any parties, in such case there shall be a punishment under same section but various clauses. That is, the whole description is described under section 15 of POSCO Act of 2012, that is, keeping any pornographic materials related to a child. If such materials is not deleted or reported to concerned officials, then under section 15 clause 1, the punishment shall be fine of rupees 5,000 rupees, but for subsequent repeated offences, the punishment shall be fine up to 10,000 rupees. But if such materials, that is pornographic materials of a child, is used for distribution or transmission to another party or to the public, then there shall be an imprisonment for up to 3 years in prison, along with fine or with both. But if under section 15 clause 3, it is clearly stated that if such pornographic material of a child is used for commercial purposes, that is, if child pornographic material is used for any commercial purposes which result in financial gain to the party who involved in such illegal activity, then they shall be punished with imprisonment not less than 3 years but go up to 5 years in prison along with fine or both. But if same repeated offences were made, that is, if multiple times the pornographic materials of a child is distributed for commercial purposes, then the imprisonment shall be 5 years in prison, and maximum it shall go up to 7 years in prison along with fine or both. So such things are in detail discussed under section 15 of POSCO Act of 2012, and the punishment for deleting or failure to report to the concerned officials is mentioned under section 15 clause 1 of POSCO Act of 2012, and the punishment for transmitting and distributing such pornographic material of a child is mentioned under 15 clause 2 of POSCO Act of 2012, and the same pornographic materials of a child is used for commercial purposes, then such matters were dealt under section 15 clause 3 of, that is 15 section clause 3 of POSCO Act of 2012. So such things are discussed under these sections.